Taking care of your skin should be an essential part of your health regimen. It is your body's largest organ. Now, if you're eating healthy foods on a regular basis and already know some anti-aging secrets that might add years to your life, then you're off to a good start. And although there's no fountain of youth, there are vitamins that can help you take care of your skin. Making sure you get enough vitamins can keep your skin looking healthy and youthful. To help you, we are giving you information for you to learn more about essential vitamins that can help you look younger. Vitamin C. One of the key ingredients found in many anti-aging skincare products is vitamin C. Its cancer-fighting, antioxidant properties and its role in collagen production help keep your skin healthy. Taking vitamin C orally can enhance the effectiveness of sunscreens applied to your skin for protection from the sun's harmful UV rays. It does this by decreasing cell damage and helping the healing process of bodily wounds. Vitamin C can also help fend off the signs of aging because of its vital role in the body's natural collagen synthesis. It helps to heal damaged skin and, in some cases, reduces the appearance of wrinkles. Adequate vitamin C intake can also help repair and prevent dry skin. It is recommended to take 1,000 milligrams per day. You can also get vitamin C naturally by eating more citrus foods, such as oranges. Eating other plant-based sources of vitamin C, such as strawberries, broccoli, and spinach. Drink orange juice. Take supplements, as recommended by a doctor. Look for anti-aging skin treatments with vitamin C for treating dryness, redness, wrinkles, and aged spots. Vitamin D. Most often vitamin D is made when sunlight is absorbed by your skin. Cholesterol converts to vitamin D when this happens. Vitamin D is then taken up by your liver and kidneys and transported throughout the body to help create healthy cells. This includes the skin, where vitamin D plays an important role in skin tone. It may even help treat psoriasis. Calcitriol is a man-made version of a kind of vitamin D that humans produce naturally. Calcitriol is a topical cream that has been effective in treating people with psoriasis. Applying calcitriol reduced the amount of skin inflammation and irritation in people with psoriasis and produced few adverse side effects. Getting 10 minutes of sun exposure a day. Check with your doctor first, especially if you have a history of skin cancer. Eating fortified foods, such as breakfast cereals, orange juice, and yogurt. Also eating foods that have vitamin D naturally, such as salmon, tuna, and cod will help your vitamin D intake. Vitamin E. Like vitamin C, vitamin E is an antioxidant. Its main function in skincare is to protect against sun damage. Vitamin E absorbs the harmful UV light from the sun when applied to the skin. Photoprotection refers to the body's ability to minimize the damage caused by UV rays. This can help prevent dark spots and wrinkles. Normally, the body produces vitamin E through sebum, an oily substance emitted through the skin's pores. In the right balance, sebum helps keep the skin conditioned and prevents dryness. If you have particularly dry skin, vitamin E can possibly help counteract a lack of sebum. Vitamin E also helps in the treatment of skin inflammation. While vitamin E is available in many skincare products, the problem is that any effects could be minimized upon sun exposure. Getting enough vitamin E in your diet is preferable. Most adults need about 15 milligrams of vitamin E per day. You can increase your intake by eating more nuts and seeds, such as almonds, hazelnuts, and sunflower seeds. Taking a multivitamin or separate vitamin E supplement. Using topical products that contain both vitamin E and vitamin C, this can be more effective in photoprotection than those that contain only one of the two. Vitamin K. Vitamin K is essential in aiding the body's process of blood clotting, which helps the body heal wounds, bruises, and areas affected by surgery. The basic functions of vitamin K are also thought to help certain skin conditions. Vitamin K can be found in many different topical creams for the skin, and it can help treat a variety of skin conditions. Doctors frequently use creams that contain vitamin K on patients who have just undergone surgery to help reduce swelling and bruising. This may help speed up skin healing. While vitamins are essential for skin health, you might already be getting enough of these vitamins through your daily diet. So it is highly recommended to consult your dermatologist or doctor before taking these vitamins.